Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some exciting news as Build on Bitcoin launches its mainnet with over 40 apps. Let's explore what this means for the Bitcoin ecosystem and the broader cryptocurrency community. Build on Bitcoin, a pioneering initiative aimed at fostering innovation and development on the Bitcoin network, has officially launched its mainnet. This milestone event marks a significant step forward in expanding the capabilities and utility of Bitcoin beyond its traditional role as a store of value. With over 40 apps already built and deployed on the Build on Bitcoin mainnet, developers and entrepreneurs are harnessing the power of Bitcoin's robust infrastructure to create a diverse range of applications spanning various use cases and industries. The launch of Build on Bitcoin's mainnet has profound and far-reaching implications for the Bitcoin ecosystem, heralding a new era of innovation, growth, and adoption. This initiative represents a significant step forward in expanding the utility and versatility of Bitcoin beyond its traditional role as a store of value. At its core, Build on Bitcoin embodies the ethos of decentralization and community-driven innovation that underpins the Bitcoin ecosystem. By fostering an open and collaborative development environment, this initiative empowers developers and entrepreneurs from around the world to contribute to the evolution of Bitcoin and create innovative solutions that address real-world problems. The launch of Build on Bitcoin's mainnet signifies a maturation of the Bitcoin ecosystem, signaling to the world that Bitcoin is not just a digital currency but a powerful platform for building decentralized applications, dApps, smart contracts, and financial instruments. With over 40 apps already deployed on the Build on Bitcoin mainnet and many more in development, Bitcoin is poised to become a more dynamic and versatile platform capable of supporting a wide range of use cases and applications. This expansion of Bitcoin's utility is particularly significant in the context of the broader cryptocurrency landscape, where competing blockchain platforms offer a wide array of features and functionalities. By enhancing Bitcoin's capabilities and enabling developers to build innovative applications directly on its network, Build on Bitcoin strengthens Bitcoin's position as a leading digital asset and solidifies its relevance in an increasingly competitive market. The launch of Build on Bitcoin's mainnet is expected to attract greater interest and investment in the Bitcoin ecosystem, driving further growth and adoption. As developers and entrepreneurs recognize the potential of Bitcoin as a platform for innovation, we can expect to see an influx of talent, capital, and creativity flowing into the ecosystem, fueling the development of new applications, services, and solutions that push the boundaries of what's possible with Bitcoin. The impact of Build on Bitcoin on the Bitcoin ecosystem extends far beyond the launch of its mainnet. By fostering innovation, collaboration, and experimentation, this initiative is laying the groundwork for a more vibrant, inclusive, and decentralized future for Bitcoin. As developers continue to build and iterate on the platform, we can expect to see even greater innovation and adoption in the years ahead, solidifying Bitcoin's position as the preeminent digital currency and decentralized platform for financial freedom and innovation. Let's delve deeper into the key features and diverse use cases of the apps launched on the Build on Bitcoin mainnet, showcasing the innovative potential and versatility of the Bitcoin network. These applications span a wide range of industries and sectors, harnessing the unique properties of Bitcoin to address various real-world challenges and opportunities. One prominent category of Build on Bitcoin apps revolves around decentralized finance, DeFi, a burgeoning sector that aims to democratize access to financial services and products using blockchain technology. These DeFi apps enable users to borrow, lend, trade, and invest in digital assets without relying on traditional financial intermediaries. Another area of focus for Build on Bitcoin apps is Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs, digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of unique items or collectibles. NFT marketplaces built on the Bitcoin network enable creators and collectors to buy, sell, and trade NFTs securely and transparently, leveraging Bitcoin's robust infrastructure to ensure the integrity and provenance of digital assets. Identity management solutions are also a prominent use case for Build on Bitcoin apps, leveraging the immutability and tamper-proof nature of the Bitcoin blockchain to provide secure and verifiable digital identities. These identity management platforms enable users to control and manage their personal data without relying on centralized authorities, empowering individuals to protect their privacy and identity online. Gaming and entertainment are another area where Build on Bitcoin apps are making waves, revolutionizing the way users interact with digital content and experiences. Bitcoin-powered gaming platforms enable players to earn, trade, and transfer in-game assets and currencies securely and transparently, creating new opportunities for economic empowerment and social interaction. In addition to these key use cases, Build on Bitcoin apps are also exploring innovative solutions in areas such as supply chain management, decentralized marketplaces, social networking, and more. By leveraging Bitcoin's robust infrastructure and open source ethos, developers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology, driving innovation and adoption across diverse industries and sectors. As the Build on Bitcoin ecosystem continues to evolve and expand, we can expect to see even greater innovation and creativity in the applications and services built on the Bitcoin network. With developers and entrepreneurs embracing Bitcoin as a platform for innovation, the future looks bright for Build on Bitcoin and the broader Bitcoin ecosystem. As we continue to explore the untapped potential of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. In conclusion, the launch of Build on Bitcoin's mainnet marks a significant milestone in Bitcoin's evolution as a global digital currency and decentralized platform for innovation. With over 40 apps already deployed and many more in development, the future looks bright for Build on Bitcoin and the broader Bitcoin ecosystem. That's all for today's video on Build on Bitcoin.